refugees are often misunderstood and poorly represented by the media. In research, refugees and asylum seekers are represented by statistics, and you can sort of lose that personal aspect and you don't understand who the refugee is themselves and their experiences. So my internship is with CLEAR Project Southampton, and they're a charitable organisation in Southampton that work with refugees and asylum seekers. So I'm doing a project sort of shining a light on their experience navigating advice and support in Southampton. CLEAR is special because they help a refugee in anything that they may need. So that can be from housing to employment to education. CLEAR works with refugees throughout the whole of their life and anything they may need to build a life in the UK. So this research project and this internship really shines a light on the refugees' experiences and telling the story in their own words, which I think is really important. So I'm studying a master's in public health, and this internship really ties in because in public health it's often about the social factors, so looking at how things like housing, education, employment can impact someone's ability to live a healthy life. Refugees often face more challenges with these things and are therefore at a higher risk of having poor health. So by looking at how refugees can access support and improve their lives, it's looking at how they can improve their health at the same time. So the University Sanctuary network means that Southampton is involved with lots of different charities like CLEAR, and there's sort of that collaborative working relationship and knowledge sharing between the university and the organisations that work directly with refugees. And I think from there, the University of Southampton has been able to sponsor refugees to study at the university and sort of develop that safe space for refugees to come and study at the university. So I think my time at university has been great, and I have felt really supported by my lecturers and the people that I'm working with throughout, and that's the same with my internship. I feel really supported by my managers, and they've made this opportunity really great. And I hope that the research that I'm doing will contribute to a positive change and will make a positive impact.